how to register to CDKeys. So if you want to register to CDKeys, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search and then go for CDKeys. Once you've searched, here you will have www.cdkeys.com. Click on the first search, and then you can go for the profile icon, which is on the upper right, and here it will take you to the login and the register. So if you want to register to CDKeys, then you can go for register, which is on the right side, and then click on register. And from here, to create a new customer account, you need to enter your personal information. So enter your first and last name, and then here you need to enter your sign-in information. So you can sign in with your Facebook, Google, or your PayPal account, but you can also enter your email address if you don't have these accounts. So enter your email address on this blank, and then you need to again confirm your email address twice, and you need to create a password. So make sure to enter a strong password, and then again confirm your password. And once you've done that, you can click on create an account, which is on the bottom of your screen. And that's it, your account has been created. So you must confirm your accounts. You need to open up your email that you have just entered, and here you will have this verify your account mail, right? So you need to simply click on verify now, and that's it. Your account has been verified. So that's how you create your CDKeys account, or that's how you register. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.